Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're learning how to describe your home, a topic that comes up constantly in conversation, whether you're meeting new people, viewing a property, or chatting with neighbors. Let's start with property types. A flat or apartment is a self-contained home within a larger building. A detached house stands alone, not connected to any other property. A semi-detached house is joined to one other house on one side, and a terraced house is part of a long row of identical properties joined together. When describing rooms, you'll use words like living room, dining room, bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen. More specific terms include en suite, a bathroom attached directly to a bedroom, and utility room, which is where you keep the washing machine and other appliances. To describe size, you might say, the living room is quite spacious, there's plenty of room. Or, the kitchen is a bit compact, but it's very functional. Open plan means the kitchen and living area are combined in one large space, which is very popular in modern homes. Another common phrase is cosy. This means warm and comfortable, especially in a small space. You might say, it's not huge, but it's really cozy, perfect for one or two people. When talking about location, these phrases are very useful. We're within walking distance of the shops. Or, it's really convenient for the train station. Or, the neighborhood is very quiet, we rarely hear any noise. You might also describe condition. For a property needing work, you could say, it needs a bit of TLC, that stands for tender loving care. Or, there's real potential here, you just need to do it up. Do it up means renovate or improve. Today we covered property types, rooms, size vocabulary, location phrases, and describing condition. Use these to describe your own home confidently. See you next lesson.